The only guarantee in life is death.
Nothing in life is promised except death.
Maybe 50 years later, maybe tomorrow, maybe even today. On the day that you die, what will be your biggest regret? Although that is hard to answer for us, a nurse who has cared for thousands of people who are alarmingly close to their death wrote about the most common regret people have on their deathbed. And you know what regret number one is? I wish I had the courage to live a life true to myself, not the life others expected of me. You read this line and it hits you. Most of us are living the life that is expected of us. किसी ने क्रिकेट खेलना छोड़ दिया है, किसी का पेंट ब्रश लापता है, तो किसी का गिटार अलमारी के ऊपर धूल समेट रहा है. In life, everyone will tell you to not take any risk. But story कैसे बनेगी फिर? Now, of course, I'm not telling you to quit everything and run after your dreams. Although that is a very good advice for a great adventurous life. क्योंकि बाबू मोशाई जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, लंबी नहीं. लेकिन it is not just about us. Some of us have to provide for our parents and our family. किसी को अपने छोटे भाई बहनों की कॉलेज की फीस जुगाड़नी है, and to leave all of this behind knowing that everything will just crumble down behind your back, that will be just selfish. That's not what we do. And ये जो follow your dreams, अपना passion follow करना and all of these things are over romanticized on the internet. In reality, it is 10 times, 20 times, if not more harder than the societal path of 9 to 5 job. Trust me, I've been doing it for a few years now. But all risks are not equal because calculated and well researched risks are barely a risk. Although सबको लगेगा कि भाई बहुत बड़ा risk लेने जाने वाला है, and they will tell you not to do something. In your mind, when you have researched well about it, it's not that big of a deal. Just like when I had to choose my branch for college, I had a lot of options, but after a lot of research, me and my dad, we did a lot of research and we chose to take BTech in AI. Now bear in mind that AI was a very new thing back then. अभी जो AI का hype बना है, that is very recent. In 2018, 2019, it was not there. And everyone told me that it is a new branch, it is an experimental branch and you should not go into it. But look where AI is today now. अगर मुझे इस industry में ज़्यादा interest होता है and I wanted to go all into it, that particular degree choice would be the biggest brain move I have ever made in my life. And that is one of the 3 biggest risks I have taken in my life. Now, all risks do not have such great luck like the BTech in AI wala degree, because the second risk was a huge financial one. And because it was a financial risk, it was probably the most dangerous one I have taken so far. Why is it? Let me give you some context. I come from a lower middle class family. मेरे पापा स्कूल के बच्चों को ट्यूशन पढ़ाते हैं, मेरी मम्मी घर संभालती है. So there's not much income coming from there. So when I first got into college, they had to struggle quite a lot to pay my college fees, and all these things that I do on the internet, I started all of this so that मेरे पापा को लोन ना लेना पड़े to pay my college. And very fortunately, 2 years into college, that was my reality. I was not asking for money from my parents anymore, and everything was seemingly going really, really good. And that is when Abhishek, one of my best friends in college, came up to me and said, "Bro, cryptocurrency and NFT, these are like the biggest booming fields right now. I think we need to do something about it." And every sane person that I knew was telling, do not get involved in cryptocurrency, do not invest in cryptocurrency, कि क्रिप्टो डूब जाएगी, बहुत पैसे चले जाएंगे. बट हम थे कॉलेज किड्स विद बॉइलिंग ब्लड, हमको किस बात का डर. तो जो भी पैसे मैंने ग्रेजुएशन के बाद के लिए सेव किए थे, वो सारे हमने इन्वेस्ट करे. मैं, अभिषेक और यश, हम तीनों इन्वेस्ट करके साथ में we started making NFTs, thousands of NFTs for people, for very wealthy people to be honest. But the kind of money that we made, I will not give you an exact figure, but we bought things like this and so on within the first 3 to 4 weeks of starting. Now, given that we were making some amount of money, a lot of our clients will pay us in cryptocurrency, and we will just keep it there invested into cryptocurrency because we were also sold into the dream of cryptocurrency that it will go up. Now, of course, everything doesn't go to plan. There are multitude of clients who have scammed us for money because we did not know how to make contracts and everything when doing freelancing. So we did get scammed of thousands of dollars, and one day one of the wallets where cryptocurrency is stored, one of the wallet platforms just vanished. Another thousands of dollars went right there. And all in all, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट वाज नॉट इन्वॉल्व्ड एंड नॉट ट्रैकिंग एनी ऑफ द क्रिप्टो, यू कुडंट डू मच अबाउट इट। कोई फ्रॉड होता है तो कोई इलीगल अथॉरिटी ऐसा कोई था नहीं उस टाइम पे कि तुम जाके किसी को बता सको कि ये हुआ मेरे साथ। बट थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड नाउ। आई थिंक 2021 या फिर 2022 में गवर्नमेंट हैज स्टार्टेड ट्रैकिंग एटलीस्ट द ट्रांसफर ऑफ क्रिप्टो टू ओरिजिनल करेंसी, एंड इसके अलावा भी देयर आर मच बेटर प्लेटफॉर्म्स नाउ for crypto transfer, storage and all those things. Personally, 3 years later, I still use Cryptomas and they're also the sponsor of this video. Let's talk about Cryptomas, which is a cryptocurrency payment gateway with low commission. They charge only 0.4 to 2% commission for receiving payments and absolutely no commissions for withdrawing. Now let's see how you can start accepting crypto payment with Cryptomas. You can integrate payment gateway by the API documentation that you can find in your personal account, PHP SDK with all the necessary tools in one kit, or by using the plugin for the e-commerce websites made with WooCommerce, Shopify, PrestaShop and others. One of the Cryptomas features is white label. All you need to do is configure all the necessary data and use all Cryptomas payment processing features with your branding. With crypto processing, you can create your own crypto exchange or crypto gateway, try crypto processing and work with crypto transactions the way you want. Link to Cryptomas will be in the description below. Register and try it for yourself. Now, although crypto ka price has been on a huge roller coaster over the last 2-3 years, I don't have to be worried about some blunder, some disaster that happens on the platform. Now, going back to 2022, that is about 6 to 8 months after we started doing this, the whole NFT market just died out.
Over $150 billion. In 3 days, that's how much the world's 15 largest cryptocurrencies lost in market value.
Okay, people stopped riding the hype and the prices went down and everything sort of plundered. And looking back at this 6 to 8 months of a huge roller coaster ride with my friends, we all would acknowledge that it was a huge opportunity that we were lucky to stumble upon and we were brave enough to go into. Because भाई देखो, जिंदगी में मौके बहुत जल्दी आते हैं, बहुत जल्दी जाते हैं, तो अगर तुम सोचते रह जाओगे तो चौका कोई और मार देगा. Now before moving on and talking about the third biggest risk and probably the biggest risk of my life, let's talk about how to take good calculated risks. So to give you a very recent example is that I went to this Himachal trip recently and उसमें एक दिन था जब हमें एक hike पे जाना था and the weather forecast was horrible. It was saying it was gonna rain and you know how dangerous and how unfruitful a hike can be when it is going to rain. What people generally refer to as risks are essentially hollow dreams. कि मैं स्कूल नहीं जाऊँगा, मैं एक्टिंग करूँगा, मैं कॉलेज छोड़ के कंटेंट क्रिएशन करूँगा, मैं अपना बिजनेस खोलूँगा. All of these sound very amazing until you realize that 99% if not more people fail in these domains. So chasing after these hollow dreams without any backup, without any execution plan is basically like jumping into a river without learning how to swim. That's basically suicide. Now suppose if you want to drop out of college and become a content creator, something that I also wanted to do, but if you do not have any numbers or any income and you go to your dad and say, पापा मुझे कॉलेज से ड्रॉप आउट करना, मेरा हो गया, मैं बनाएगा कंटेंट. ऑफ कोर्स अब्बा नहीं मानेंगे. क्यों मानेंगे? क्योंकि हमारे पेरेंट्स जो हैं, they were also our age at one point. Like they were also in their teenage, in their 20s, and they also had these burning passions inside of them. And they, maybe due to lack of money, lack of opportunities, or the weight of responsibilities that they had on their shoulder, they had to sacrifice their dreams. And because of the sacrifice is what you have today that you call your family. Now when they have been through this exact emotional roller coaster that you are going through and they see their own child wanting to walk an uncertain path, why would they agree to that? 16 years later, if I go up to my dad and I say कि पापा मुझे जॉब छोड़ के कंटेंट बनाना है, मुझे फिल्म मेकिंग करनी है पापा, तो उनको डर लगेगा ना, लगना जायज़ है. लेकिन मेरा केस थोड़ा अलग है. Why? Because I have used my time in college to prove that I can do something, I can make money out of it, I can grow a channel to 100k subscribers, I can get sponsors and companies to pay me. And although the job guarantees a particular paycheck every single month, the mental and physical fatigue of going through that 9 to 5 or even more on those 5 days is leaving me unable to focus on the other parts of my life. And that is the third biggest risk of my life that I am planning to take. But we took the risk anyway, and in the middle of summer something happened जो कि विंटर में भी बहुत लकी लोगों को देखने को मिलता है.
If you only knew.
As of 27th April 2024, I am planning to quit my job. जिस जॉब के लिए इतना मेहनत किया, इतना घिसा, कॉलेज में भी रगड़ा, I am planning to quit that job.
What I've been through.
And it's very scary कि यार इतना मेहनत करके कुछ करा and I'm just letting it be for something that is a little uncertain.
If you only
And पापा को डर लग रहा है.
what I've been through.
And I can't tell it to him, but उससे भी ज़्यादा डर मुझे लग रहा है. Although data and everything tells me that everything is gonna be alright, but the looming thought of what if नहीं चला, what if nothing works out is still there, obviously. But risk नहीं लिया तो यार कहानी कैसे
You
बनेगी?
know that hope is not a fantasy. You know that hope is not a fantasy.
Every night I think about this. Every worry ends up something related to this. See, I can choose between the pain of hard work and uncertainty or the pain of regret for the rest of my life. And hopefully the rest of my life is quite a long time. And that is going to be extremely painful to live with regret. And when you take actually good risks, years later you will see that people judge you by their own capabilities, not yours.
Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. You want something, go get it. Period.
And as much as people try to measure you with their own small realities, remember, there's this nurse who has written about the most common regrets people have on their deathbeds. Do you know what regret number 1 is?